And we are back. Have the radio all cleaned up. Looking good. It's not in brand new condition, but it's a lot better than what it was. I even took the time and cleaned the chrome on the speaker. So it's shining really good, really nice. Ran some polish across this and cleaned that up. Got the scratches out. Do have a couple of superficial scratches in there, but at the cost of rubbing off the chrome, I opted to just leave it be. Want to talk a little bit about the project, about the radio components. I guess the easy parts, the components that I pulled out of there, the capacitors, half of them were marginal to bad, a few in there okay, and the rest were completely shot. So it's a good thing that we went ahead and updated it, and now it should last another 30 some odd years, maybe. The resistor that I replaced, I made comment that it was nice to have the schematic after all, because the one resistor, the resistor mounted in the radio was a 20K. Schematic called for a 33K. I went ahead and put in a 33K. I do understand that sometimes after the fact, manufacturer will come in and, add pieces and parts or change values. And then in the service manual will come out with a addendum. Not having a service manual, I didn't get the addendum to that. Completely playing it by ear, sort of. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the meat of the act. As I stated, performance on this radio, you're not going to run out and spend good money for this radio. If you're into DX, not your friend. We will start off on FM. Alright, I have the FM radio set all the way to the bottom of the band. I have the antenna all the way extended. The antenna is about 20 inches or thereabout, and I have it straight erect. Tone control, I have it midway point. Volume control is in the off condition. Position, let's rectify that now. I also forgot to mention that AFC is turned off.
Devices and state funding. Enter before May 31st, 2018.
How many of you rocking out right now? Me too.
Your mama raised you better than that.
keep in mind there's also assessments that can happen as well too. Now you kids dead. Yo, what if he say I'm looking like a whole snack? Green.
Well, if that wasn't kind of pathetic, huh? As you see, even on FM, I had to move the body of the radio a little bit in order for improve the clarity of the station. So, like I said, it's not a radio that I would purchase again. It is what it is. You don't know until you buy. Let's go ahead and switch over to AM radio now.
Spreading divine mercy. I've seen the power of Catholic radio. When I go out and talk at maybe to 50 people,
motivated, hardworking, career-minded, ethical, and enthusiastic sales professionals with
online at Prep Service.
Can you say a furious comeback? How do you feel getting this win?
I feel good. It's a big win for us. We know how good we are as a team. You know, a lot of guys stepped up. Nico played well. Ian Drew was a big defensive plays. And we rebounded the basketball. They made it.
educar en el uso de la tecnología, que es un tema importantísimo.
Maintain strength and power. That's its reason to maintain strength and power. It's in every single cell in the body. 95% of it, however, is in your muscle tissue.
I think the Sixers, a team that makes a ton of sense.
It makes sense for him. I don't know if it makes sense for the Sixers.
Why not?
Because I feel like they have to...
Scratch my head many times.
Doméstica. Hace una semana usted está en tiempo para reportar esa violencia doméstica y con un reporte
Coast to Coast AM. Now, here's your guest host, Connie Willis.
Country for sure. A lot of it can be due to what is the type of crime rate? Are we facing civil war, wars? All of those things have factors in it.
Now, I'd rather see, we never thought that.
That's huge. 17 to 21 million people in the United States are affected by the fear of this day. Now, what is the fear of this day? Well, let me break stuff down to you kids. We like to teach you stuff here on the Chad Benson Show. It's useless, but it's fun.
Well, that's it. All the time spent on this radio for it to end in such a fizzle, I reckon. It is what it is. You can't always knock the ball out the park. But I guess you could try, and that's exactly what we did. We tried. Anyway, this will conclude this rather long-winded video. Thanks for watching, and thanks for coming along on this series. And just remember to catch the rest of this series. Go to the playlist on my YouTube channel. Anyway, that'll do it for me. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Give yourself a big thumbs up, because you are fantastic. Thank you. Bye. And that's it. We're done. Series is over. It sucks, but it's over. Kill the mic.